Hi, Michael. So you've expressed that sometimes when you half press your shutter and you focus your picture and you recompose to take the final shot, you look at your picture in post and you realize it is not as sharp as you think it should have been. And I understand. The reason is that you have one button doing two things. You half press the button and then you full press the button. And then when you recompose and your hand is still half pressed because you're not taking the picture, right? It still focuses again. You really haven't separated that. What you need to really do is you need to separate focusing from one button to another and then keep the taking of a picture on one button. That is called back focusing. And most of the time it is moved to the auto exposure lock or autofocus lock button at the back of your camera. That same button can be used in another way that makes it so beautiful. Instead of switching between, going into the menu and switching between autofocus continuous and then autofocus single or locked, by keeping your hand on that button, it will continuously focus. And when you take your hand off, it locks that focus. Isn't that brilliant? Remember, we're trying to control and make sure that we get the shot exactly as we want, right? So let me show you how to do this in my camera. You can translate that into whatever camera that you're using. So on this camera, this is a DSLR. The way that you do that is you press the menu button and then you scroll all the way down to the pen tool and then you scroll to the controls and then I hit OK. And then I have to scroll down to where I have my autofocus, auto exposure lock button, and I'm going to tell it what to do. So when I press on that and then I press OK again, I have mine set to the autofocus on, so that all that this button is doing, it is doing the autofocusing for me and nothing else. So Michael, it's as simple as that. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Next time. Bye-bye.